Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the NVIDIA error installation cannot continue. So first we will go to the C drive and then above here you will see this button view. Click on it, hover over show and then click on hidden items. Now this will show all the hidden folders and items. Now go to program data and then NVIDIA Corporation and then we will go to download. Now there are multiple folders here. Go to one of these type of folders where there is written random strings of numbers. Click on it and you will find a driver here and it has this version. Make sure this is the same version that you downloaded. Now click on it, click OK. Now it will open up this window. Click on agree and continue. Select Express install and then it will start installing. Now I don't need to install it. I have already installed it, so I will close it. Now, if this does not fix your issue, what you can do is you have to go to your browser and download the drivers manually. So this one right here. So here, as you can see, I have 1660 Super and it has given me multiple versions of it. So I have Windows 11. I will click here. Then I will download it. This is the game driver and this is the studio driver. I will download it from here and install it. I hope this will fix your issue. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.